Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Dorulumon from Digimon Fusion. If you must know, Dorulumon is one of the fusion fighters, and well, he used to be part of the Bagra army after sacrificing himself to save Blue Meramon. But Blue Meramon came back again. Came back real soon, and I'm sure he'll be revived again real soon in the new world Shoutmon is creating. By the way, I wonder what Shoutmon is up to these days, now that he's Digimon King and all that stuff. Well, you won't know for sure unless we find out. So anyways, we start with the nose. I started out with the eye, then the nose. Here's his whiskers right here, and here's his saber-toothed jaw here, and well, here's his mouth. And then here we go, I'll just draw his backside here. Then you draw his whisker here. And here's his horn, his drill bit blitz. Okay, here's his head. Next up, you just gotta draw his mane. His lion's mane. I'm starting to think that Dorulumon is actually a lion, and not much of a wolf. But he does look like a lion, though. And he fuses with Shoutmon and Ballistamon to form Shoutmon times 4, which I'll be drawing real soon. And here's his helmet. And here's his foot. There's his foot. Hold on a second, you guys. Okay, so next up, it's time to... Next up, you just gotta draw his other foot. I don't know why I get involved in this stuff, but it's getting good. We're like getting... Here's his other foot here. Okay, glad that's done. But, so, here's his other... Here we go. There's his backside. Next up, you just gotta draw his foot. Here's his here's the hook underneath his stomach here, and here's his okay, here's his foot. And here's his other foot here. There's his foot, and here's his last foot here. And done. Okay, hold on a sec. And done. Basically, that's how you draw Dorulumon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, comment below. And sorry I couldn't finish drawing his tail. Maybe next time.